So here we are in Second Life. Let's upload that texture we just saved. So if I do File, Upload Image, I see the image that we saved away. I need to open it. We get a little preview of it to make sure it looks good before we upload it, because it's going to cost us 10 Linden dollars to do the upload. That looks okay, so I'm going to go for it. And it tells us we've paid $10 and shows us a sample of our image, which has now gone into our inventory. So now that we've got that, we can start to use it. Let's select Build down here and create a cube. Place it anywhere in front of me. Move into Edit Mode, and I'm going to zoom in a bit so you can see it more easily. Maybe lift it up a little bit. Right, there it is. We can now start applying our texture to it. I'm going to change its name. It's generally a useful thing to change objects' names as soon as you create them. So I'm going to call it Clock. And let's move to the Texture tab. Click on the texture, which is the current default one. And under Textures we have Clock Face, which is the one we just uploaded. There it is. If I select it, what it does is actually puts it onto every face of the cube, which isn't really what we want, to be honest. If I go this side, you can see it there as well. We only really want it on the front face of the cube. So let me go back here. What I'm going to do is just go back to the original texture, the default texture. And then I'm going to say, well, I only actually want the clock face to appear on this face. The way I do that is to choose this Select Texture option, which gives me this little target. And I click on the face that I want. And when I then select the texture, it'll only apply it to that face. That's pretty simple. If I go and look at the cube, it's got that kind of wooden texture for the rest of it. So that's pretty good. I'm going to just do a little bit of work squashing it up a little bit. I mean, obviously you can make this look as much like a clock as you want to, also than we've done here, and put some more interesting textures on the other sides, and maybe put some stuff around it and a stand and all those good things. But for the purposes of what we're trying to build here, I think we have sufficient in terms of a clock face. What we now need is some hands.